Milan preparing here to be a part of the opening act of another major. So it's back, bigger and better than ever before. I do hope everybody is ready for another ride on the emotional roller coaster.
Well, the biggest show in town just now, Peter, and everyone wants to be a part of it. A competition that seems to draw out the whole gamut of emotions. And in keeping with that, we've got an atmosphere with a real sense of enthusiasm here. And I'm hoping we get lift-off once this game kicks off.
There's the whistle. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, someone I see as a great defensive midfielder is this guy, Benacer. At 5'9", Peter, he might not seem the biggest, but he does have a knack of winning duels against much bigger opponents. And you can't fault his awareness and his decision-making, which are usually spot on. This guy rarely gets caught out.
Okay, interesting. Out towards the flank. Mkhitaryan. Cross deflected behind for a corner. Keeper has taken decisive action. Milan can counter promptly here. Giroud receives it in a good position here. Oh, it's a key interception. That's clear cut, it's a free kick. Brozovic has got the wrong side of the referee and got himself a yellow card for his troubles. Swings it across. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Interesting ball. Picked out, great chance! Oh, he hit that sweetly. Just whacks it away. Chance! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Stands up to it well and emerges with the ball. Hernandez is fouled. Out Rafael Leao. Gets away from his opponent. Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge, and he will be back for more. Lovely ball into space. Oh, that's a fine interception. Martinez.
Well, you can see what they're trying to do here, Peter. You know, get the ball into wider areas.
Yeah, there is a very visible, a very definite pattern here.
Well, that's where the space is.
He's had it! Goal! Milan! And Milan have the lead.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
A 1-0 lead established.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Over towards the opposite flank. Brozovic. Tomori. No, he wasn't going to let it past. Into Milan and a free kick. And it's Çalhanoğlu. Çalhanoğlu. No foul, says the referee.